Are you planning to relocate to Kuwait? But with 3 movers, your international move to Kuwait can be smooth, efficient, and stress-free. At 3 Movers, we specialize in international moving services, helping you easily relocate to Kuwait. With years of experience in overseas removals, we understand what it takes to ensure your belongings arrive safely, securely, and on time. But how much will it cost to move to Kuwait? The cost of international moving varies based on several factors. Typically, you can expect to pay anywhere from $3,700 to $18,500 for your move, depending on the size of your shipment, the distance, and any additional services you require. Size of the move: the more items you have, the higher the cost. Larger shipments, like furniture and household goods, require bigger containers and more time. Distance: the further you move, the more expensive it will be. Relocating from overseas or driving long distances will naturally cost more. Additional services: packing, unpacking, and door-to-door delivery services can all add to the cost of your move. Peak season: moving during peak season, typically summer, can lead to higher rates, while off-peak months might offer more affordable options. Contact 3 Movers today to schedule your international move. Call 1-888-202-0036 or visit our website for your free quote.